Hey guys, welcome back to Pokio. In today's episode, I want to talk about and showcase how I was able to create my business website with only $40. It was $20 for the Claude subscription and then $20 for Lovable, which is the development app that I used. So let's get started. Okay, so basically, what I did when I started is that I gave a prompt to Claude. And what I told it to, I gave it inputs, the role. So I wanted it to be a world class UI UX designer. I gave it the request and then some other like structure things regarding the website, the tone, the goal, and the next steps. I was able to grab this through by using ChatGPT. So basically, I told ChatGPT, "Hey, I need to create a website. Help me build a prompt." And trial and error, I was able to come up with this. I can paste this prompt in the comments below, and that way if you want to use it you can tweak it to make your to make it your own. So basically, before I show you how we got here, then I do have some information. Since I have the paid subscription, um, I am able to like load information into like create a project and then load it with information. So here I have before I had my website, I had other information such as like YouTube videos, who is my preferred customer, just various different things to know more about my business and myself. So that way, once it's creating or I'm asking it for information, it knows to give me more tailored information that's valuable for me. But going back to this, so let me go because this has been a long chat. So after that, it like accepted what I gave it, and then it started creating like certain like well in this case it gave me like okay, this is what I think it should look like. And then I started like talking with it. So I was like, hey, what if I wanted to be like a simple landing page for my business? And then it gave me like an actual visual of how it was going to look like. And then I started giving it feedback. So I told it that I wanted it to be pink and black, 'cause that's usually like my favorite colors to go for. And so it started doing that. So you can see here, it started sort of like taking more shape. And this was who we serve. This one is not loading. And I started like chatting again more with it, and then this one is loading. So you can see this is not very different from the actual website that I have now. And this was built. Claude used it, built it using React code. So if you go here to you can toggle and you can see the whole code in here. So what I did is that at the time I was reading, I am subscribed to Indie Hackers, and one of their posts was about this company called Lovable. So let me see if I can go to the main like website so you can see. Um, So this is the how the website looks. There is a free subscription, but because I wanted to have my custom domain and just like not run into that like daily limit or whatever. That's why I decided to pay. But you can have multiple projects in here. Honestly, I just have mine for my website. But once you click on it and whatever, literally what I did, I told Lovable like, hey, I want to build this website, and I just copied and paste this code into here, into Lovable, and that's how it started taking shape. So here, the page that we were looking at was the who we serve. So if I go here to my website now, that's literally how it looks. And you know those spaces here in Claude where like it says like a 600 by 500 pixel image. Well, Lovable, like I didn't even have to find those images. Like Lovable finds those images on Splash and then gives you like an image. And then you can always tell it like, hey, I didn't like that image. Let's look for something else, and then it would do it for you. So I just chatted back and forth to and get that. So I use Claude to create like the actual visual, the bones of how it was going to look using React code. And then after that, I put it on Lovable. I pasted the code to actually, build it out for me. I have mine stored in GitHub. My all of that code, and then after that, I just published it. And Lovable has some recommendations how you can publish it. So I used what is it called? What is it called? Let me find it. Give me one second. Okay, yes. So I used Netlify. I think that's how you pronounce it. Because I wanted a custom domain. So Lovable provides like a lot of information, like if you want to do like certain thing, how you should do it. So in this case, if you just want a free website, like you don't care about having a custom domain, then you can just hit publish and you are ready to go. But because I do have my own business, I wanted to look a little bit more professional, have my own custom domain. So now if you go to my website, this is how it looks. And I have made several iterations since my first try, but I was just amazed that I was able to create all of this very quickly, just using two apps for $40. Like, I just can't believe that. Like, this for me, I think it's worth like, I don't know, like at least $5,000. I'm not a web designer, but I would think so. Like, this looks so nice. And it was literally just utilizing AI and 40 bucks. So what I'm going to do is I am going to load this prompt. I'm going to put it in the chat. And also I am going to put this, if this helps. But yeah, let me know if you have questions. I'm I'm not the best like explainer. But yeah, let me know what I can do to help you if you are trying to build out your own website. I think this is a very, very affordable option. You just need to understand how to talk to it. So yeah, have a great rest of your day. Bye.